Okay, let's go to Microsoft PowerPoint and then let's remove this one. So first, let's go to format background and then gradient. So for this one, I'm gonna choose two colors only, like the blue and black. Let's make this 95%. And then let's go to shapes. Let's add some shapes. Okay, I will choose this one. And it depends on you, what shape do you want. And then let's align it to the center. And then let's fix this, the color. I will choose white for this one, and then 3. And then let's move on to shadow. You can choose whatever you want, but I will choose this one. And blue, sky blue. Yep, and then 40% point of blur. So it would have this lighting effect. Okay, now let's put some text here. For example, start the quiz. Okay, and then let's move on to, okay, now let's move on to insert and then link. This is very important because it's when you press the button and then it would go to the next slide. Yeah, and then next thing is this next slide. So what I did here is I just copied the first slide and then just rearrange the shapes, and then what I'm doing here is I go to home and then arrange, like you need to open the arrange panel, and then each buttons here corresponds here. So I just change the name so it would be easier. So this is the B, the A, and then the question. So let's rearrange this one. Okay, this is very important when putting the effects on each button here, like the A, B, and C. Also the next. Okay, I think that's good. Now let's move on to the animation, and then let's open the animation pane. And now let's add some animation each button. object color. It is when a person press letter A and it's wrong. So for example, it's wrong, I want it to color red, and if it's right, I want it to color green. So that's what I'm doing here. So this is just an example. And let's arrange the duration, and then should put it here. It triggers when the person clicks letter A. So let's put it here. On click A, and then let's add some color. So you should drag it here. Okay. And then let's change the color into red. Because for example, if it's wrong, it's red. Okay, that's it. No, not yet. Let's change it here too. Okay, let's test. No, it won't work. I missed something. Let's remove the link. Remember the link that I said at the beginning that when you press the button, it would go through the next slide. So each button here has a link. So let's remove this one, so that if it's wrong, it just stays there. Same slide. It would just color red if it's wrong, and then color green if it's right. No, it's mali. Let's fix it here again. No. Fix. White and play. Yeah, with previous link, because that's after. Okay, now that's it. It's nice. And then what we're gonna do here is just copy this, trigger her on the next button, like the B, C, and D. Just press this A, and then animation painter, B, and so on. And just fix it. For example, this is wrong. This one is also wrong. Let's just say letter C is the correct answer, and then D is wrong. So let's change the letter C. Okay, it should be color green. And then I want it, if it's correct answer, then the next button will appear. So let's add the next button, A effect. It would fly in right after the C. So let's move it here. put some delay at 1.2. Okay, I think that's good. Yeah, that's it. Okay, let's test. Wrong. Yeah, that's it. And just copy it. The next slide. Same process. The next thing I'm doing here is I'm just gonna add some sound effect. So I just downloaded a sound effects already. So I'm just gonna put it here. All of it, one by one. Correct answer. Okay. And the last one. And that's it. And this is the final look. So I just added two buttons here on the top corner, left and right. So if your answer is wrong, you won't be moving to the next slide. But if your answer is correct, the next button will appear.